Hello guys! Today, may ipapakita kami sa inyo kung paano magluto ng cheese cupcake. Okay, the ingredients is
shredded cheese,
mozzarella cheese, and then 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 can of
milk,
condensed milk, 2 eggs, baking powder, cake flour, 2 cups of cake flour, and then, what's this? Vanilla, and then, 125 grams butter, and then, no more. That's all, okay? Mozzarella cheese, sugar, condensed milk, butter, cake flour, baking powder, and then 2 eggs, and then vanilla, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Okay, let's start. The bowl, and then melt it until fluffy. And then, hold the bowl first. Oh, mommy broke that one, the another one. You put this one on. I remember. Okay, this one, baby. Yan. And then another one, I pour the sugar. Dahan-dahan mo ibuhos yung sugar diyan sa loob. Together with the butter. Until, okay? Okay, melt it.
Step it up.
Slowly first, number 2, baby.
I just turned on number 2.
Okay, number 2.
It's
This
the
one, the
again. Huh?
the bottom one. Okay.
It's me, cameraman again.
So, mommy bought for you the
There
non-stick.
the one for the bread.
And then, already melt. Wait,
Okay.
stop first. Stop.
Oh, it's number 3. I forgot. I cannot see. Just
Wait. And then pour down.
Valina.
No, wait. This one. The baking powder
Huh?
here, and then mix it. Okay. Wait. And then I pour inside the wait.
I'm taking out the butter.
The butter
I'm taking out the butter from the wisp.
from the
This one.
yes. Okay.
You teach me how to do this. You teach me. You need to take out the wisp.
And then you mix you combine the baking powder, and then the
You take-
no, put there first because you need to.
I need to combine this now.
Yes.
I pour it in there.
No. I put the egg there. Crack the egg lah.
Now
Yes, I need to crack the egg.
I know how to crack the egg, silly.
Wait. And then put the vanilla.
Vanilla first.
Yes, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Where is the
This one.
spoon? Yes, get the
It's
spoon.
the very small one. This one.
Teaspoon.
This one.
One. That is 1 quart. You see, 1 quart. 1
This one.
half teaspoon.
This
Half
one?
teaspoon.
This one.
Yes.
This one.
Oh.
This one.
Half
this
teaspoon
one,
vanilla.
Or this one.
Vanilla. Yes.
This one or this one.
It's any.
Oh, okay.
But the measurement is the same. The shape only. Okay?
Ew, stinky.
Yes, that is the flavor Be sure, slowly. You like baking, ah?
Yeah, I like baking.
Okay, put it there.
In there.
Yes.
It's so stinky.
And then, oh yeah. And then, and then wash that one. No, close that one first.
Closing the cap.
And the next, you mix it. Ay, why you put the spoon? And the next,
Mix. It's our number 2.
And then crack the egg, but one by one.
One you will put down the mixture.
No, mix first. Oh, stop.
I know
Okay, I crack the eggs
No,
first.
I know how to crack the egg.
The shell.
Huh? I will not put the shell in it.
Oh.
Do you know how to crack?
Okay. Oh. Slowly. Yeah. Okay, slowly. Have a shell.
No.
No more. Okay, go. Mix. No, one by one.
Oh, one by one.
Yes. You make a mess already there.
Okay, Mom.
And then next, stop. Be careful because
Ooh, too hard.
the shell.
No shell.
Okay.
Oh, no shell.
Okay.
It's just a little bit black thing.
Okay, go.
Do I need to wash my hands?
Here.
And paint my hands.
Next.
Mixy.
Slowly, ah. One only first. One. Yes. And then number 2. And then next.
Number 3.
Stop. Slowly.
Why is that this?
Because I need to.
Oh, sugar.
Okay, and then
Rubbing my hand.
next. Condensed milk.
Gone all?
Yes, condensed milk.
We need all.
Yes, all. All. Okay.
It's like the. Oh, you put the condensed milk in the sandwich and then eat it?
When?
Like the peanut and butter sandwich, you put
Yes,
the
it's
condensed
okay.
milk. Mix now?
You mix.
One
Slowly.
first.
One first.
What time?
And then after that, you put already the baking powder inside.
2.
So we need, don't move first. Don't move. To make.
Powder.
Yes. Hey, see, my little boy like baking. Okay. He like baking. Now today we make the cheese cupcake.
Glenda, if this video hits like 100 likes or 100 subscribers, will I make a face review?
Okay.
Okay. Can you hear, guys? If this video
Yes.
can smash 100 subscribers or likes, I will do a face review.
Okay. I said
Cameraman.
it will be a cameraman for me.
And I will do a face review.
Okay.
If the video hit 100 likes
So
or
you need to-
100 subscribers.
So you need to watch my video.
Yeah. Especially 100 subscribers or likes.
Okay.
I can do a
Because I
super
love
face
you.
review.
Because I like you. Even you are not guapo. Because you are so pangit.
Actually, will we do some giveaways?
Give away?
Like, we'll give some of our souvenirs to the viewers. Will we do that?
No. I don't like. I have no money. I have no money to give them a give away because
Now, if we can have money, we need your likes and subscribers.
wait. Stop first.
We need money to give giveaways. So you need to give us some subscribers and some likes. So we can have some money to give some giveaways to you.
Okay, finish already. Let rinse the let stand there the mixer because it's still dropping. You see? Wait. It's not. Ay. And then get the cheese and then pour the cheese here. No, the other there. Pour inside. No need to use the mixer now. Because use the spoon only. Okay?
Pour all?
I see. It's okay.
All?
Yes. Oh.
The cheesy.
And then mix it slowly
No
up.
need to use that.
Spoon.
Can we just
You
make?
get the, and then the
Can we take out the whisk?
later cannot because still dropping. Need to drop that one first. And then after that, you need to take out the cupcake.
It's like cream.
You need to bring that in the play center, squash center.
I need to go to the squash center
Yes, okay.
now.
Okay, enough. Okay. Let's bake. Take the
Okay.
we have only 6 like this one.
6.
The mold
You take. Why you don't buy frosting?
no need frosting, no.
I want frosting.
Next time lah, okay? We have a lot of cake flour there.
Or maybe we can hit some subscribers, maybe 3 subscribers, and then maybe we can make a cake, a
Okay.
real cake.
Okay.
3 subscribers, and then we can make some
You
cake.
put the paper cupcake here. Okay. I wash this one. Okay.
Video me.
You push in the bottom one.
Okay. Make sure it's seasoned.
Good job the non-slip pad is good. Okay, next. Then you need to yan mag-play yung alaga ko. He likes baking. Okay, next. Wait. I need to check first. Check first. Then, wait. Slowly, ah. Don't make a mess, okay?
Okay, let me do it. Okay.
Wait. I need to show to them for you. Until here only.
Make sure don't put so much. It'll pop up. Soon.
You need to reheat first the oven first.
Like heat it up.
Yes, reheat. Oh, take out
What?
the plug first there.
Okay. How to heat up the oven?
Reheat the oven out
Which one?
to, you put in the 20 minutes and then
Which
out.
one? Which one? Which device?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
No, not 4
He-
hours.
No, 20, because
It's
15,
okay.
15.
15 minutes.
15, you move this one first. Yes, press this one. 15.
What you
Oh.
do?
15. 15. And then to 180. Okay.
Heat it up.
Reheat. Okay. Good. Okay. Finish your putting the
Cupcake mix.
while putting
And
the
at the end, we'll put some cherries on the cupcake.
no cherry.
Yes, we have cherries.
That is for mommy's fruit.
Oh, it's a little bit. It's
Oh yeah,
okay.
be careful. Okay.
No.
Okay, I'm done. Okay now. Ito na guys, yung finished product ng alaga ko. Ayan, siya yung naglagay yan ng ng cherry sa taas. Nilalagay niya yan. Tapos yung dalawa kinain niya na. Dalawa kinain niya na. And then may dalawa pa akong nasa loob ng oven. Kasi yan na lang ang dalawang natitira. Subukan nyo guys. Ilalagay ko dyan yung recipe, yung ingredients niya at saka yung steps kung paano iluluto. Already done na siya. Patay natin. Wow, it's already good job. Ayan, ito na. Finish all. Okay. Ayan. Ang init naman. Okay, lagay ko to yung gloves ko. Nilagay ko dito. Sige. I-warm ko muna yan. Make it cool. Nasira siya guys. Ay, nasira yung cover niya. Okay. That's right. Yung dalawa kinain na namin. Magkano? 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 15 pieces.
Can you help me to fold?
Okay, no problem. Okay, you go to play squash now, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Your water here. Water bottle. Okay, guys. Finish already. Yan lang. Kung baguhan lang kayo, please subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and then notification bell. Kung may video na ako na i-upload, manonotify kayo agad.
And I will do a face reveal if you can hit 100 subscribers.
So, yung alaga ko kasi yung taga-push ng mag-bake eh. Siya, gusto niya nito magluto, kaya siya nagbibideo ngayon, paalis siya papuntang laro. Bye-bye! Tingnan nyo guys. Ginawa niya, nilagyan niya ng cherry yung finished product niya. This is the first batch. And this is the second batch.
Beautiful cherries!
This is
I ate one. I'm
and
eating
I
one.
put the cheese on the top.
It's so good.
Can you
should
turn on
try
the-
this recipe.
Can you turn on the oven again? Turn on. Okay. Function. The function. Slowly.
This one.
Up and down.
Up and down.
The fire. Up and down the fire. Up and down the fire.
Yeah.
With the steam. Again. Yeah. No, don't like that. Is broken our oven. That is new.
Like this?
Yes, like that. And then
50 minutes.
no, 9 minutes only. Because already heats so hot the oven. Okay, open.
Be careful.
We
It's
must.
so good. It's yummy.
So may I taste first.
You take.
You take what? Because this is your breakfast for tomorrow.
Just take. Bite a little. Yummy.
Yes, yummy. Very good. Look guys, so yummy. Good taste. Tingnan nyo, ginawa niya, oh, nilagyan niya ng cherry. Yung cherry ng mami niya doon, kinuha niya sa fridge, and then pinato niya sa taas. His first batch. Ayan na, cupcake ng little alaga ko.